Hello friends. Today we're going to talk about a very common problem, the volume on your Vizio TV remote not working. If your remote's volume up, down, or mute button isn't responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions that work in 95% of cases. So let's get started. Step 1. Basic checks. 1. Are the remote batteries weak or dead? Replace them with new ones and test again. 2. Make sure nothing is blocking the path between the remote and the TV. Clean the IR sensor to remove any dust or debris. 3. Check if the volume or mute button is stuck. Sometimes it gets jammed and needs a firm press to release. If everything looks fine, let's move on to the next step. 2. Remote pairing/reset. Some Vizio TVs use a remote pairing system. If the connection between your TV and remote has become loose or unlinked, repairing is necessary. Go to your TV settings. Menu System, Remotes and Devices, Pair Remote. Sometimes it says Reset Remote. Follow the pairing instructions. For example, press and hold Power plus OK plus volume buttons together. If there's a reset option, perform a factory reset on the remote. This step is very important because sometimes a software glitch or signal disconnection can make the volume buttons unresponsive. Step 3. HDMI/ARC settings. The next step is to check your HDMI/AC settings. If you're using external devices like a soundbar, home theater, or HDMI switch, your volume commands may not reach the TV properly. 1. Go to TV settings, System, CEC, sometimes called AnyNet Plus, Bravia Sync, or Vizio CEC. Make sure CEC is enabled. 2. If you're using a soundbar, also turn on ARC/CEC settings on it. 3. In the audio output menu, ensure TV speakers are selected. If external speaker only or audio system only is selected, the remote's volume buttons may not work. After enabling these settings, in most cases, the volume control starts working again. Step 4. Software/firmware update. Now, check if your TV firmware is up to date. Outdated software can also cause the remote to malfunction. Go to Settings, System, check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Some Vizio models even allow remote firmware updates, so apply those too if available. These updates fix bugs and improve remote communication. Step 5. Last resort/replacement. If none of the above methods work, it could be a hardware issue. Try using an original or compatible Vizio remote. You can also test with a universal remote. If the IR sensor or internal board is damaged, get it checked at a Vizio service center. So friends, these were the top solutions to fix your Vizio TV remote volume not working issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below which step worked for you. And if you have any other TV-related problems, write them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Take care and see you in the next helpful video.